Hey y'all. I've been wanting to use this sign since we made it. It says, "Don't go baking my heart," with a cute little pig in a tutu. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is cut our mesh. All right, so we're gonna cut 20 pieces at 10 inches. So 20 pieces at 10. One of my favorite things about the really large cutting mats is being able to cut multiple pieces at a time. All right, let's get our frame back out. This is a 15-inch frame. So we are gonna start this one on the outside, adding the two 10-inch pieces in curls. All right, so to curl it, literally just roll it up. Now, what's important here is that you don't roll these too tight. Think more burrito than taquito, right? That's my rule every time. Put them in a little X, and then just add one little X all the way around the outside. Just don't mess up and don't put your 20-inch ruffle in here. You're gonna need those for the top. The goal of this method is just to use one roll of mesh. All right. Now we're gonna grab our 20-inch. What we're gonna do, you're gonna curl those cut ends up just a little bit to hide it. Then we're gonna ruffle it right down the center. Then we're gonna flip it upside down and add that ruffle into all these ones around the top. So the most important part here is just curling up those edges. So we've got our sign. We're gonna put just a little dab of super glue in all four corners. So we put super glue, we put our mounting square, and then we added our hot glue around it. All right, we're gonna take our 4 pipe cleaners, and then we're gonna put a little pipe cleaner through here and tie it off. So we've got our sign on here. We're gonna get our wreath back out, and I'm gonna add this little lady right down here. All right, we're gonna get this tied off. All right, so we got our little sign in here. Now we can get out our bow maker. Let's measure out about 12 inches. Give it a good pinch. Give it a twist. We're gonna measure out about 7.5 to 8 inches. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gold towards the back. These loops are about 7.5. All right. So each loop is going to get about an inch smaller. All right, we're almost done with this giant bow. Little center loop with this gray one to bring that gray back from the back to the front. All right, we're gonna slide our bow off. We're gonna give it a good little squeeze in the middle and then twist it so that our pipe cleaner tightens up. All right, so we just ran that pipe cleaner back through the mesh and tying it off to the frame. See that right here in the back. All right, our bow. We're gonna just dovetail this real quick. All right. All right, so now we just need to cut some ribbon tails. Y'all, we're gonna do 13-inch tails. We are going to wrap it 18 times. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna alternate the rest of them so that we use some of our black and white, some of our red, some of our gold, some of our gray. Or we'll cut 5 of these two and then 4 of those two. Y'all, now we're gonna start around the bottom and we're gonna just add 1 set of ribbon tails all the way around. All right, so we're just gonna grab a 2.5 inch and one of our pink ones. And we're gonna fold it up. Give it a little pinch. And then we're gonna add one of these little sets all the way around. So I'm gonna put a pink one in every one. And then rotate between the 2.5 inch on all of the other colors. All right, we're just gonna get all these tails added on here. All right, you can see we've gone through all the colors so far. And we're just gonna keep making our rounds. All right, so we went all the way around the bottom, and where we stopped is exactly where I'm gonna start at the top with the next color. All right, now I just want to make sure that these ones at the top don't cover up the little pig. There we go.